Hello lovely people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mark and this is Mark Shares. So today I'm going to share with you something that is very informative and also quite interesting to know. Yes, what I'm going to share is how you can submit your tax returns right here in Poland and doing this 100% online. Yes, 100% online. That means you don't have to go into the tax office physically. Yes, you can submit your tax at the comfort of your home. So in this video, I'm going to take you through it in a step-by-step process how you can do this without any issues. Before I start, if you are wondering why the need to submit these tax returns, basically, if you have lived in Poland in the previous year and has earned some income, then you need to declare this income to the tax office so they will know that you are paying the right taxes, and then even if you overpaid your tax, they are going to refund the amount you overpaid to you. This declarations is open from the middle of February until the end of April. So you have from the middle of February to the end of April to submit your tax declarations. And then if you are owing, you would have to pay the tax office. And then if you overpaid your taxes, then they would reimburse the money to you. One more thing is that these tax returns can be filed either traditional way, with the paper form by going into the tax office with your Pit11 to submit to the tax office, or you can either do this online, which is what I am going to show today in this video. So let's go and see how it is done.
Okay, so obviously we have to start from our browser. So you go ahead and open either your Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge or whatever browser that you are using, and then we are going to go ahead and head to this address, epit.poddatkey.gov.pl. I'm going to put the address in the YouTube description, or I would also put it on the screen so you can be able to easily locate it. So this is the screen that is going to come up. If you have it in Polish, you can translate it from here. So you just choose English to translate it. And here you have three options to log in, but the easiest one is to use the trusted profile. So if you don't have a trusted profile yet, you can go to your bank with your PESEL number and then ask them that you want to create a trusted profile, and they should be able to assist you. So I'm going to go ahead and click on select from here. Now there are different ways to log in to the trusted profile. You can use your if you have already set up the trusted profile, then you have an email and a password that you can use to log in. Otherwise, you can click on any of these banking options to also log in. But then I have already set up my trusted profile. I have my email, everything linked with it. So I'm going to click on this one. For the sake of data protection and privacy, I'm going to cover my email. But basically, you have to put your email address here, and then once you have put the email address, you would enter the password also to log in to the trusted profile. And right after that, you are going to receive a code on your phone, so you have to put that code to be able to log in. So basically, after logging in, this is the screen that you are going to see. So as you can see, it is written right here, your EPIT 37 for the year 2022. Remember that you'll get PIT 11 or PIT 11 from your company, but we are submitting PIT 37 to the tax office. Okay, so it's based on the PIT 11 they prepared the PIT 37. So here for me, I am just an individual, but if you are married and you want to file your tax with your spouse, you can choose this option. Or if you have a child as a single parent, then you can also choose this option. So here you can also see your tax was prepared based on two documents. What this means is that in the previous year I worked for two different companies and they have submitted my tax report from each of the company. That is why I'm having two documents. So if you work for three companies, like if you change companies or you are still working for two different companies, then you should receive the number of the companies that you have worked with as the number of documents right here. Here is your total income for the year. You have your total income for the year showing here. Then if there are some reliefs that you obtain, like a child relief or any other thing, in fact there are several other reliefs you can apply for, like student relief. Also there is internet relief and so many others. You can go through the list by clicking here, and then if you find fit any of these relief, you can apply to them. And here is your tax that you are supposed to pay, and this amount is calculated based on your income that you had received throughout the year. And here you can choose to also donate some of your taxes to an NGO to support maybe the less privileged or something. So you can select an organization that you want to donate some of your taxes to. Then here you can see your bank account. In case you have an overpayment, the tax office is going to pay you your tax refund into this bank account. If you are logging on into the system for the first time, you can add the bank account right here. So, and if you had it earlier and you want to change, you can also click on this to change your bank account so that the refunds will be paid into that account. Here is the amount that you are supposed to pay if you are owing, and if they are owing you, you see overpayment amount and then the amount they are going to pay for you. So basically that is it for the tax submission, and this is the PIT 37. So after going through all that, and then you find it okay, everything is okay, then you go ahead and click on accept and submit. So after clicking on accept and submit, then it means you have submitted or you have declared your tax for the year, and then you have no issues going to the tax office or whatsoever. So this was what I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it's going to help you as you file your tax. If you have any other questions or comments, you can leave it in the comment section, and I would come to answer and also share my knowledge on what I know about those questions. See you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye.